Hey guys, welcome back to Fleet Friday. This week we're back on Roosevelt Island and we're going to be taking a look at Roll Off 1. Roll Off 1 is also known as the SOC skid steer pod truck. It's basically a large cargo container that houses the skid steer, also known as a Bobcat, inside. The FDNY has two of these trucks. They are both 2004 Mack Granites, and they both house a skid steer. This one is stationed here at Roosevelt Island, and the other one is stationed at the Rock. This skid steer is a 2007 model, and the one at the Rock is a 2013 model. These pod trucks can also be used to move other pods that are around the city sporadically and be brought to the scene. Taking a look inside the cab, it has seating for two. It'll usually be staffed by a light duty personnel from SOC to bring it to the scene, and a rescue or squad operations firefighter will utilize it at the scene. Here are some of the controls to lower the pod off the truck. They have some here and then some inside the cab, as this truck is considered a roll-off. The FDNY has numerous pod containers throughout the city. There's like 10 collapse pods that have extra shoring equipment for prolonged incidents. There's hazmat and decon pods. There's pods that carry other equipment for prolonged incidences. There's EMS pods, MCI pods, that between this truck and a couple other trucks they can use. Department of Sanitation in New York also has a few roll-offs that may be utilized to bring these pods to the scene. Now you may be wondering what's the purpose the FDNY needs a skid steer for. Now the main purpose for the skid steer is used at the Rock Fire Academy. They do use it to make trenches and move debris around for the fire academy. The other reason is they can be brought to scenes at major emergencies such as collapses, and it has the ability to remove debris. Has the ability for tree removal. Has numerous attachments. If they have to make access to an area where they can't get to, I will include a video you will see. It had to remove debris, I believe it was AC units and pallets out of a warehouse from a deep-seated fire that they couldn't get all the way back to, so they had to remove debris out of a warehouse. At the Rock, they make stuff all the time for training purposes. They also have a backhoe over there that they use, but can be used throughout the city for emergencies. And here's the back here. Again, this unit is a 2007 skid steer. It's all chained up so it doesn't move around. Taking a look through this entrance here. This truck has numerous attachments. It has a bucket, a regular bucket. Then it has forklifts that's on it, and then a braking hammer and a bucket grapple. We have a little ladder, some buckets, some chains. Some miscellaneous stuff. Some extra equipment to help assist with the change of attachments. Mallets, some stuff like that. Here's a clip from a scene in Queens at a warehouse fire, HVAC. They had a lot of pallets and HVAC equipment that needed to be moved out of the way. This is another skid steer they have that's stationed at the Rock. It's a newer model, 2013. That's the grappler, bucket grappler. And then he has the forklifts underneath. Here's a walk around the skid steer truck. The lights on. Might not be able to see them very clearly as it's very sunny. This is going to conclude this week's Fleet Friday. It's a very interesting piece of equipment. If you have any questions about it or any other Fleet Fridays or anything in general, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you guys at the next Fleet Friday. Thanks for watching.